Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a pack for my holiday with me video. I'm going to Albania. Me and Kyle are going to Tirana for 5 days. It's Sunday today. We leave on Tuesday, but the flight is at like 7 o'clock in the morning. So I'm working tomorrow. So today is Sunday and today is just the best day for me to get everything sorted and packed. So that's what I'm doing. I'm so excited, but I do also get really like nervous before flying, really nervous before traveling. It's such a first world problem to have, but I'm always convinced something's gonna go like wrong. So that's why I like to get really prepared beforehand. We managed to get this holiday for super cheap. It was about £100 each for the full 5 days, and that included our flights and our accommodation. So that's such a cheap holiday. And also, to keep the costs down, we don't take big luggage, we only take carry-on luggage. So this is the bag that I'm taking for the full 5 days. This is the bag that I think it went viral on TikTok a while ago. It's the one from Amazon. It's really cheap. It only cost me like £11, but it's the exact measurements for carry-on luggage size restrictions. So it is really small, but what is good about it is that it's really thin. Like, the actual bag itself is super thin, so it gives you as much room as physically possible to take your clothes in. I'll leave a link to it below because it's really handy. I think everyone and their dog has one, because every time I'm at the airport I see people with this bag. It comes in loads of different colours and patterns and things, but it's really good. It's got a little pouch there for your passport to go in that zips closed, and it also has a long strap as well as the 2 smaller straps for carrying. So that's the bag I'm taking, and I have to fit everything in there for 5 days. So the first thing I'm going to do to be as prepared as possible is to check the weather for Tirana. So I've had Tirana pinned on my weather app for the last like 2 or 3 months, and I keep looking at the weather because it's just so lush out there. But we are going on Tuesday, so it's gonna be 24 degrees on the day we land, which is so nice. Then it's 23 on Wednesday, 23 on Thursday, 22 on Friday. We don't leave until really late on Saturday night, so we've got all of the day on Saturday there as well. It's going to be 22 degrees and sunny. And then what I've done is I've created a notes page on my phone just with the days of the week that we're there and the temperature. So I was gonna sit and just like think about it on the sofa last night, but I just fell asleep because I was so tired. That was like to create a little plan to see what I want to wear, and I haven't thought of it yet. We also do have a few things already planned. We've booked to go to the spa at this gorgeous hotel, which I will also leave the link to, on the Friday. So I'm gonna need like a bikini for that, so we'll need swimwear, so I'll note that down. We've booked to do a cooking class, and then you also get to eat what you've cooked. That's on the Wednesday, that's the second day, so I'll note that down because I don't know if I might want to dress up a bit more for that. Oh, we've also booked to go for dinner on the Tuesday. We've been stalking all of the amazing restaurants on Instagram, and so I've booked to go to a restaurant which looks quite nice. It's called Artigiano. It's an Italian restaurant, so we're going there on the first day that we land, so I will want something quite nice for that as well, I think. And then just also looking at the weather again, it looks like it's gonna cool down a little bit in the evenings. Like, it's gonna get down to like 12-13 degrees in the evening, so I will need a jacket of some kind. So I am gonna lay the clothes options out on my bed, and then I'm gonna try and fold them super tiny to get them in this bag. I've already taken out of my drawers just this basic Zara crop top, just a white one, because it is so small it will fold down to nothing, and it's just, you know, I will definitely need a top. And also this Stradivarius strapless black just jersey tube top. Again, it's tiny, and with the weather being so warm I can probably get away with something with no sleeves. I've also taken this dress out of my drawers. I put this away for summer literally last week, but it's a really nice dress. It's from Friends Like These, and it's like long maxi dress with a flowy skirt and a strappy top. So I'm gonna take that, I think. And then also this dress from H&M, which hasn't fit me for a while, but I just tried it on and I absolutely love this dress. I got this last year. It's got like a backless design, which is really nice, and it's also got a slit, and I thought that would be really nice, maybe for like a nice dinner, or even just like one of the warmer days when we're off exploring, because it's really comfy as well. I'm thinking I'd like to take this cord because it's really light and like quite sheer, quite cool on the hot days. And so it's a shirt, and then it's also a pair of trousers that match in this really nice cream colour. I think that will be really nice just for like exploring and roaming around. I can wear the Zara top underneath that, and also where it's so thin, I hope it will fold down really, really small. And then I think for a jacket, I want to take this blazer, which is part of a suit. The trousers are there and they match, and it's almost like a linen suit, but I don't think I want to take the trousers. I think I'll just take the blazer. It's not really thick and really warm, but it will just be good to have like an added layer, especially when it gets a bit cooler in the evenings. But I'm just thinking this is quite big and I don't think it will go in the bag, so I might end up having to wear that to travel in, because then it doesn't have to go in the bag. Okay, so far we've got quite a lot of beige going on, so let me find some darker items to throw in there as well. Okay, so I've also now got this top. It's also from Stradivarius, and it's just a black crop like racer vest. And I'm also gonna take my Arquette black linen trousers, because again, they're quite lightweight and breathable, and I think that because they're linen, even though I'm gonna like crush them to get them in the bag, I don't think it matters too much when linen gets a bit creased. And also hopefully the Airbnb has an iron in it anyway, so I can try and iron them. And then for the bikini, it is just this black one from Shein from like years ago. I've had this for ages, and it is just a plain black two-piece bikini, and that is for going to get the massage, having some time by the pool, and just enjoying like lounging around at the spa. And this dress, you know, the like long floaty one, I've decided I'm not going to take that because I don't think I'm going to have enough room, and if I'm taking one long white dress, I don't need to take another one, so I'm axing that. So now what I've got is one outfit. That is the cord, so that's an outfit for one day with the crop top. Then I've got the black Arquette linen trousers, that black top, and the other black top. So that's like 2 outfits. And I can also mix and match the white top with the black trousers and vice versa. So I've got 1, 2, 3 outfits, 4, 5 outfits, and we're there for the 5 days. So is that really all I'm gonna take? Also need 5 pairs of pants, 5 pairs of socks, and a bra. Pants, socks. So I've got my pants and socks sorted. I also need to think about what I'm gonna actually wear to travel in, because that gives me a little bit of leeway. And then I've also got my makeup bag, which there's not that much in it, but obviously because we're going carry-on, I'm gonna have to separate the liquidy stuff into my plastic bag, which I have somewhere as well. Got my clear plastic bag to put all of my wet stuff in. Okay, I literally had to stop then and pause and eat a sandwich because I got so hungry and I was getting so annoyed because I couldn't think straight. But we are, I think we're there. So this is what I'm going to travel in. So these are the Arquette linen trousers, a stripy top, a jumper in case I need it in the evenings when it's cold, and also because we're flying so early, it's going to be really cold in the morning as we're getting to the airport, so I'll wear that, and my Zara blazer. I've swapped the blazer to a black one just because I think it will go with more outfits. Then I've got this dress, which is just a lovely simple black dress with like a flowy skirt, like a midi length, so I'll wear that to one of the dinners, keeping that slip dress that I showed you at the first bit. Then I've got this beige cord and the crop top, and then I've got the strapless top and the black top. So I've got a few different mix and matchy outfits there with those black Arquette trousers as well. And then I've got my bras, and I'll probably wear the beigey one to travel, so I'll put that there. So only that underwear to go in the actual bag. Then I've got my bikini, I've got my makeup bag, I've got, in terms of like toiletries, I'll pack my toothbrush like after I've brushed my teeth in the morning before we leave, but it will be my toothbrush. This is the Body Shop chamomile cleansing butter, but it's a travel size one, which is really good. I've got my deodorant, which is it's 45ml, so that's fine, that can come with me. And then I've got my ordinary serum, which I can just use as my hydrating moisturizer-y thing after I've taken my makeup off. It's definitely not the most in-depth skincare routine, but I probably won't wear as much makeup as I normally do, and it will get me by. And then also I've got my passport. This is my new passport, the blue one, and I've also got my euros because Albania has a closed currency, it's lek, and apparently it's impossible to get in the UK, so we've taken euros so that we can change them as soon as we get there, so we've got some money. So let's start trying to get this into the bag and all packed. And then of course another thing to consider is my handbag, because I don't actually 100% know, and I think the rules change depend on like who you speak to in the airport, but I know that your handbag can sometimes be just your handbag, but sometimes they want it to be in your bag, so I always try to leave a bit of room in the main bag for my personal handbag, which has my sunglasses. I've just put my passport and my travel money in here, and my wallet. So that is the bag packed. The only things left to go in are my toothbrush on the morning that we leave, and then also my phone charger. That's all packed, and that can close nice and easily, and there's a little bit of room just in case I need to like try and cram something in on the last day. And then the shoes I'm taking are the ones that I always take when we go away on a little city break, and they are my dusty ASOS design boots, and they're just flat, but they are a little bit more platformy, and I always take these away just because they are so comfy to walk in, and you could do thousands of steps in those and they're fine. So let's do the bag up. Yeah, there's loads of room in there, and that's not heavy at all, and that's got everything I showed you in there, so I think I've done really well there. And then my outfit to travel in, I'm just gonna hang up on a hanger so it's ready. Our alarm is gonna go off at 3:30 in the morning, and we're gonna aim to be on the bus at 4 o'clock in the morning, and then we can get ourselves through security, get ourselves to the bar, because you're not going on holiday if you don't go to the bar at 5 o'clock in the morning. And then we will be all ready to set off to Tirana on Tuesday morning, and we'll be there about 11 o'clock. And I will be vlogging, so I look forward to vlogging that, and I will see you when we get there then. Thank you so much for clicking on the video, and I will see you in the next one.